ENC 867 SE. Shoutout kay Sir John Tamayo. So full metal unit, 9 inches yung front assembly, NSR. Ayan, with markings. So pakita ko lang yung markings nito. Ayan, so Noveske markings. So yung may mga tag na kulay black, may markings yan. So metal receiver, and then yung mga parts niya, like itong release, bolt release, magazine catch, selector, trigger guard, trigger is metal, and then polymer yung grip with front and rear sights, folding sights, and then charging handle is metal, Noveske. So naka butterfly swivel na rin for sling attachment, and then kabilang side, dust cover niya may markings. Tube is metal, so with 5 position adjustment, and then kasya sa kanyang battery is Tutsi type or small Tutsi type battery. Yung stock ito, so polymer yung stock niya, and then kasama sa box LiPo battery at saka charger ito. And then magazine capacity is 300 rounds, camo type. And then may kasama na rin siyang suppressor around 5.5 inches. And dead air. So may markings din sa kabila, Sunman. Quick release siya guys. Okay, so iti-test natin. Check natin kung ilang FPS out of the box. Lobat na. Okay, so FPS out of the box is around 430. Okay, so check nyo na lang to guys sa Google Drive natin. And for details, PM lang kayo sa page natin, Mabisabi Shop.